Hello dear students, this is Shahira from Smart Vision School. Welcome to our English Corner. In this video, I'll be showing if conditionals. Now let's start. Conditionals are sentences that tell us what will happen, what may happen, or what might have happened under certain conditions. Conditional sentences have two basic parts. The if clause, which states the condition or the hypothesis. The main clause, which states the result. Conditionals can begin with the if clause or the main clause. Examples: if you ask her, she'll come. Or, she'll come if you ask her. Note, there is a comma in the first example, but not in the second one. Zero conditional. It is used to express a definite result that's always true under certain conditions. If you mix black and white paints, you get gray paint. Now let's focus on the verbs of the if clause and the main clause. They are both in the present tense. Another example: I go to bed if I feel tired. Again, they are both in the present tense. In zero conditional, we can use when instead of if. When I'm happy, I smile. When he is unhappy, he doesn't smile. It's also used to talk about scientific facts. If you heat water, it evaporates. First conditional. This describes something that is possible now or in the future. If you work hard, you will do well at school. Let's focus on the verbs. So the verb work in the if clause is in the present tense. In the main clause, we can notice that it's in the future simple tense. If I need help with our project, I'll call you. Second conditional. This describes something that is not true or real, or is unlikely to happen in the future. If I had money, I'd buy a Ferrari. Focus on the verbs. In the if clause, the verb had is in the past simple tense. In the main clause, there is would plus infinitive. Another example: if she was or were taller, she would be in the school team. Again, notice the tense. past simple, and would plus infinitive. Note, in the if clause, we use were instead of was after I, or he, or she, or it. We use the second conditional for giving advice. If I were you, I'd go to the party. Notice the verbs. Were is in the past simple. The main clause is composed of would plus infinitive. Another example. If I were you, I'd read this book. Again, past simple and would plus infinitive. Remember, we use were instead of was again after I, he, she, or it. Now let's practice. If I had to get around without a car or a bike, it will be or it would be really difficult. Can you guess the answer? Let's focus on the tense of the first part. Okay, would be is a correct answer. Another example. If I used that app on my phone, it will be or would be easy to find places. Again, let's focus on the if clause. Would be easy is the correct answer. Another example. If you give me your email address, I will send or would send you the information this evening. Focus on the first part to know the correct answer. Will send. If I need help with a school project, I look online. It's my habit. Notice that it is his habit. Okay, so the correct answer is going to be will look or I look. I look. Yes. Can you tell me which conditional is it? Yes, it's zero conditional. Last example. I'll help you to fix your computer if you tell or will tell me what's wrong with it. Notice the presence of if here. Can you see if? Okay, so can we put will in the if clause? Of course not. Okay, so the answer is going to be if you tell me what's wrong with it. Okay, students, if you have any question, do not hesitate to write it down in a comment. And if you liked our video, press like. And finally, make sure you've subscribed to our channel to see our lessons regularly. Bye for now.